Hello friends, today let us solve sums based on ratio of areas of two triangles. As we have done in our previous video, we have seen how to find out the ratio of areas of two given triangles, and also regarding that we have learned different conditions by which we can say the two triangles having equal heights or two triangles having equal bases, and we have also seen that how the two triangles can have equal heights as well as equal bases. So based on all that, we will see the sums in this video. Let us begin. First sum, based on a base of a triangle is 9 and the height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and the height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now we don't have diagram, so we're going to write down there are two triangles. So let the area of one triangle be A1 and base of the triangle be B1 and their corresponding height is H1. Similarly, we will have area of triangle second triangle be A2, base of the triangle be B2 and the corresponding heights be H2. Therefore, let us check what is B1 they have given. The B1 means the base of triangle 1. So the base of triangle 1 is 9, height of triangle 1 is 5, base of triangle 2 is 10 and height is given 6. What they want you to find? They want you to find out A1 upon A2, that is ratio of area of triangle 1 to area of triangle 2. So A1 upon A2 equals to question mark. Now see the solution. So we have formula as we have done. A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 multiply by H1 upon H2. Means what? Product of the bases and the corresponding heights. See here, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equals to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Can we do substitution here? You can see B1 is replaced by 9 and B2 is replaced by 10, H1 is replaced by 5, H2 is replaced by 6. For simplification, we will do cancellation. So 5 one time, 5 two times, then 3 two times and 3 times 9. So once you simplified them cancellation, in numerator you have got 3 and 1 and denominator you have got 2 and 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equals to 3 upon 4y. In the numerator we have 3 and 1. When we multiply we get 3. 2 into 2 becomes 4. Therefore, we can say that ratio of the areas of two given triangles is equals to, either you can write by 3:4 or you can write down 3 upon 4. Let us go for the next sum. The next sum in the given figure, BC is perpendicular on segment AB and AD is perpendicular on AB. That means we have the same side on which two different perpendiculars are given as shown in the question. Let us see the diagram. So triangle ABC, in which we can say BC is perpendicular on AB. Why? 90-degree angle. Here is triangle ADB, which has AD perpendicular on AB. Got it? So BC they have given to us 4 and AD they have given 8, and they want you to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon triangle ADB. So let us see now. First observe the diagram. BC is the height of blue triangle and B1 is the base of a blue triangle. So height of the blue triangle, we have taken it as h1. So triangle ABC have h1 as a height and base as b1. Green triangle, that is triangle ADB, has b2 as a base and height is h2. But as you can see in the diagram, AB is common for both the triangles. So the base are equal. B1 equals to B2. Therefore, we have here B1 equals to B2 equals to AB, and we have H1, that is BC, equals to 4, and H2 AD equals to 8. Therefore, we need to find out A1 upon A2 equals to what they have asked us in the question. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So solution we can take A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2 equals to BC upon AD. I wrote BC and AD because you should know that in the diagram BC is indicated by H1 and AD is indicated by H2. The reasoning is must. The ratio of the area of two triangles with equal bases is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Let us substitute. Yes, H1 is 4, H2 is 8. Let us do cancellation. 4 2 time, 4 1 time. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equals to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equals to half, which can be written in the statement form. The ratio of the area of two triangles with equal bases is equals to 1:2. Next sum, we have adjoining figure. PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. You can see the triangle PQR. You have observed that the triangle is of obtuse type. So let us see what happens. Solution, what they want. They want here in triangle PQR, we have base as RQ. So when I will draw perpendicular from P to side RQ, it will go outside, as you can see in the diagram. So PS is perpendicular on RQ. Therefore, height will become PS, and therefore area of triangle PQR will be equals to half into RQ into PS. As you know, they want QT, and till now we have not seen where T point is. So let us see now. In triangle PQR, we have base, we can take it as PR, and now we have here QT. QT is perpendicular on PR. So we have height as TQ, and then our area of triangle will become half into PR into QT. As you know, both the triangles are same triangle. You can see triangle area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR. So the left side of both the triangles are same, so automatically right side also will be equal. So see here, we have half of RQ into PS equals to half of PR into QT. Therefore, substitution here, we have the value, see from where we got. RQ is 6, PS is 6, and PR we have 12. As you know, half on the both the side will get cancelled. So we have 6 into 6 equals to 12 into QT. Therefore, QT equals to 6 into 6 upon 12, and 6 1 time, 6 2 time, 2 1 time, 2 3 time. So we have QT equals to 3 units. Let us go for the next one. We have in the figure SP perpendicular to YK and YT perpendicular to SK. SP measurement is given 6, YK is 3, YT is 5, TK is 12. Find the area of triangle SYK upon area of triangle YTK. Let us see the figure. Here is our figure given to us. It is again obtuse angle triangle. So we have area of triangle SYK upon area of triangle YTK is equals to yk into sp upon tk into yt. The reason is ratio of the area of two triangle is equals to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, substitution 13 into 6 upon 12 into 5, cancellation 6 one time, 6 two time, nothing else will get cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle SYK upon area of triangle YTK equals to 13 upon 10. Let us go for the next sum. So, if EB is 5 and AD is 6, then find area of triangle EBA upon area of triangle BAD. There is something common, BA. Let us see the diagram. Yeah, these two are the triangle. When I show them this part, you can see AB and BA are common. So now you can guess area of triangle EBA upon area of triangle BAD equals to half into EB into BA upon half into AD into BA. As you can see, half and half will get cancelled, BA and BA will get cancelled. So you will get ratio of the area of two triangle with equal heights is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. I hope you have understood how do you get the ratio of the area of two triangle when they have equal heights is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now we can do substitution and we have got 5 is to 6. I hope it is clear. You can watch the video properly twice, thrice. If you want, you can subscribe it and then you can solve the sums of your textbook.